An organization has an office network and a remote web server. Network ID of the office is 192.168.1.0. The web server is in the network 192.168.2.0. These two networks are connected via routers using static routing. The task is design the network and establish communication between all the devices. Let us try to construct this network. Let us take a PC and a server, then a switch. Next, let us connect this PC and the switch. And let us configure this PC. It is in the network 192.168.1.0. Let us assign an IP. Interface fast Ethernet 0. Its IP is 192.168.1.1. The netmask is default netmask of class C. Next, let us configure the server. Its IP is 192.168.2.1. The default netmask. The port is on. Next, let us connect this piece, this server, with the switch. Next, let us use a router. Connect this switch with the router. Gigabit Ethernet 0. Here also Gigabit Ethernet 0. Okay, this is router 0 and this is router 1. Okay, let us configure this port of router 0. This is the gateway of this network. We have two networks now. This one, it is 192.168.1.0, and this one, it is 192.168.2.0. Next, let us configure the router. This port, that is Gigabit Ethernet 0, is the gateway of this network. That is, if the packets emerging from this PC is targeting a different network, such packets should be delivered here first. Then this router decides to which router this packet should be forwarded. So let us configure this router interface uh, 0.0. It should be in the same network. So its IP is 192.168.1.100. Use the default net mask of class C. Make the port up. Let us configure the router 1 gigabit Ethernet 0. Its IP is 192.168.2.100. Make the port up. This is a part of this network. Let us ensure this server is ready to communicate with that router. So ping 172.168, sorry, 192.168.2.100. Okay, then this PC ping with its gateway, ping 192.168.1.100. It is working. Then we have to tell the PC that 192.168.1.100 is the gateway. So 192.168.1.100. So packets targeting to the packets targeting a different network should be delivered at this point, at this gateway. Then to the server also we have to provide the same information that its gateway is 192.168.2.100. 192.168.2.100. Okay. Next, let us connect these routers. We will get another network. Let it be 192.168.3.0 network. We are assigning 192. Okay. We are assigning 192.168.3.1 here, router 0, and 192.168. 192.168 3.2 for router 1. Okay, let us configure that interface. This one 192.168.3.1 router 0, default mask of class C. Make the interface up. Then this one router 1 gigabit Ethernet 1 IP 192.168.3.2. Mask is default net mask of class C. Make the interface up. Okay, now it has become green. Next, we have to go for static routing. That is, when we try to communicate from PC0 to the web server, let us rename it. The web server is in the network 192.168.2.0. So the packets will be having a destination address 192.168.2.0. That is, the packets are targeting the network 192.168.2.0. We have to tell the router that if the packets are targeting 192.168.2.0, such packets should be delivered at router 1. Okay, we have to inform the router 0 that the packets targeting 192.168.2.0 should be delivered at router 1, because through router 1 only they can access the devices on 192.168.2.0 network. Okay, so at this router we have to select the static routing. The network is 192.168.2.0 network, mask 255, 255, 255, 0. The router is, the next router is 192.168.3.2. Then add. Okay. So from this line it is clear that the packets targeting the network 192.168.2.0, they should be routed via 192.168.3.2. That is, the package targeting 192.168.2.0 from this PC0 will be delivered here first, then it will be moved to the next interface. Then this router will forward such packets to this router. Okay, and in this router we have to tell through static routing that if the packets are targeting 192.168.1.0 network with mask 255.255.255.0, such packets should be delivered at the router 192.168.3.1. Add. We have done the gateway. Yes, we have done the gateway at PC0 and the web server. Okay, we did the static routing and configured the two port used in this network. Okay, now let us try to ping from this PC to the web server. We are expecting that packets will be emerged and it will travel through this router 0. Then router 0 will push or forward those packets to router 1. Then through router 1 it will reach web server, and the web server will create the reply, and this reply packets are targeting the network 192.168.1.0. So it will reach router 1. Router 1, we have written the static route there. Using that routing information, such packets are forwarded to router 0, and through router 0 those packets will reach, the reply packets will reach PC0. That is expected. Okay, let us try to ping 192.168.2.1. Okay. Next, let us try. Can this web server communicate with PC0? Ping 192.168.1.1. Okay, the network works fine. This is the idea of static routing. Use options, options tab, preferences. Then this option always show port labels in logical workspace. Okay, when you tick this, the port labels will appear there.